Hi everyone, how are you all doing today? In today's Clean With Me, I am going to be sharing my daily cleaning routine with you. Now, there are a couple of things that I do not get around to every single day, but for the most part, this video is my daily cleaning routine, and I hope that by watching this, you get tons of cleaning motivation, and I hope that you guys enjoy it. I am going to be sharing my daily cleaning routine with you and how I try to maintain a clean home with two little ones running around. So let's just hop right into the video and get to cleaning.
I'm a wild one, getting bored out looking for attention. I'm not looking to meet new friends. No, I've been looking for a love instead, for someone I appreciate, and everything crossed my way. I love that I don't know your name. Oh no, I never meant to be.
Today I am going to start off with something easy, and I'm going to make my bed because having my bed made makes me feel so much more motivated, and I accomplish so much more when my bed is made. I don't know what it is about it, but having a made bed just gets me going and gets me in the mood to clean.
Don't really need to talk. I'll read in the silence. I think it's pretty clear. I'm always so sincere. Oh, take me. I'm a wild one, getting bored out looking for attention. I'm not looking to meet new friends. No, I've been looking for love instead, for someone I appreciate, and everything.
Does anybody else feel like laundry just controls your life all of the time? I swear I am doing laundry every single day, all day long. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Bronte and I am a stay-at-home mom of two. I have a 2-year-old and a 5-year-old, hence all of the laundry that needs to be done all of the time. And if you haven't already done so, I'd love for you to stick around and subscribe to my channel. It would mean the absolute world to me to have you guys here. And let me know down below, are you somebody who's doing laundry every single day like I am? Today I am going to be using the Arm & Hammer plus OxiClean laundry detergent. It works really well and the scent isn't overpowering. My daughter has very sensitive skin and gets eczema flare-ups really easily, so I have to use stuff that is gentle on her skin. I like that laundry detergent because it does have a scent to it, but it's not so overpowering and irritating that it's irritating her skin all the time. It's really, really nice, and I got it at Costco. Now we are gonna move on to cleaning up my son's bedroom. His bedroom is always a mess because this is where the majority of the kids' toys are. So today we are gonna pick it up and get it back in order. Living room is a bit of a mess today. It is not the worst that it has been, that is for sure, but it definitely needs to be picked up. There's laundry all over the floor. The kids have just destroyed the couch. The kitchen needs to be cleaned up. I am still in the process of painting the cabinets. I am moving really, really slow, but there will be a video of me doing the cabinets, my tips for you guys, what I wish I would have known and done differently. So be on the lookout for that and subscribe for that video if you haven't already subscribed to my channel. Today I am going to take all of the covers off of the pillows because they need to be washed. My 2-year-old and my 5-year-old they've just destroyed them. So we're gonna get those in the wash and get those all nice and cleaned as well. And I'm also going to vacuum the couch. That is something that I have to do at least a couple of times a week. It is just so disgusting how many crumbs and how many random cups of old milk I can find on the couch when I'm trying to straighten up and clean up. So I'm gonna vacuum up the couch, and I'm using my Shark Rocket vacuum. Huge fan of this vacuum. If you've been around, subscribed to my channel for a while now, you have probably heard me talk about this vacuum a million times. I just really highly recommend it, and I love being able to recommend stuff to you guys that I absolutely love and stuff that I use and have been using for a long time.
Thinking of taking a break, shutting it down to refresh. Honey, it's all for the better. Oh no, so spit it out to my face. It's okay, I've been busy working late on rehearsing my face, like repeating my mistakes. It's alright, it's okay, there is no one else to blame. I'm busy loving myself. I've been prioritizing, and you don't make it on that list. Don't get offended, baby. It's just a self-reviving thrift. Swarm around my head, look the way he goes. Buzzing like he thinks that he's my hero. Thinking of taking a break, shutting it down to refresh. Honey, it's all for the better. Oh no, so spit it out to my face. It's okay, I've been busy working late on rehearsing my face, like repeating my mistakes. It's alright, it's okay, there is no one else to blame. So spit it out to my face. It's okay, I've been busy working late on rehearsing my face, like repeating my mistakes. It's alright, it's okay, there is no one else to blame. I'm busy loving myself.
Are going to move on to straightening up our dining area and the kitchen as well, and just get everything back in order. There are crumbs all over the place, there's stuff all over the table, it needs to be wiped up, and I am using the Method all-purpose or multi-surface cleaner in the pink grapefruit scent. It smells divine. You guys need to try it if you haven't already. It is probably one of the only Method cleaner scents that I actually really enjoy. It leaves the house smelling super nice and fresh, and it's perfect for summertime. Not that I'm one of those people that buys a certain scent for a certain season, but it is a great, perfect summer scent if that is something that you are into. We are also going to move on to loading up the dishwasher. I swear, I don't know what these kids are doing, but I am having to run the dishwasher every single day lately. Like, they're just snack monsters and eating and drinking so many things. It is just insane to me. So we're gonna get the dishes all done, and then we are gonna work on cleaning up the sink, and I'm gonna share one of my favorite products with you.
To just be nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love. Even though it's kind of toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different place.
The Barkeeper's Friend Soft Cleanser is probably one of the best cleansers, cleaners for cleaning stainless steel, especially sinks. I really love it, and I love how shiny it keeps the sink. And I clean my sink every single day, but I do not use this on my sink every single day. I use this product about once or twice a week when the sink gets really harsh water spots all over it. So if you are using this product, I probably wouldn't be using it every day, but it does work great a couple of times a week to keep stuff nice and shiny. And when I use it, I use a glove because it is a little bit on the harsher side and it can be very drying for your skin. And then I just make sure to thoroughly rinse it down really well. On the days that I'm not using this cleanser, sometimes I will use a bleach spray to kind of just disinfect the sink, or I just use dish soap and the dish rag that I use to wash the dishes and just clean the sink that way.
Getting closer to just being nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kind of toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe.
Wiping down the stove and wiping down the counters is definitely something that I do on the daily. I am a messy cook, you guys. Like, I am the messiest cook ever. I use about 1,000 dishes when I'm cooking anything, and I splatter stuff everywhere. So wiping down the stove and keeping the counters clean is definitely something that I do every single day, if not multiple times a day. Today I am using an Up and Up version from Target of Windex. This is great for cleaning a black cooktop, whether it be a glass cooktop or a gas stove like I have. It keeps the black super nice and shiny, and it doesn't leave any streaks behind when you are using it to clean, and I just love this. You can obviously use it on a glass cooktop as well. I would just make sure that you are wiping it down really well so that there's no cleaner residue on there when you go to turn your stove on. I wasn't even kidding earlier when I said laundry kind of just rules my world. It rules my world almost as much as my two little ones do. If you haven't seen some of my recent videos, I recently just KonMari'd and decluttered my dresser, so I'm going to continue on with that folding. It has eliminated so much wasted space in my dresser. It is insane. If you haven't tried that folding method, I highly recommend it. I need to go through my whole house and just KonMari fold everything so that we have more space to store stuff, or the kids have more space in their dresser drawers. I'm currently not doing that with their clothing, and I seriously need to, because my son's dresser looks like it's going to explode open at any moment. So we're gonna get this laundry taken care of, and then I'm gonna finish up cleaning the floors and finish up cleaning the house. I hope that you guys are enjoying this video. Please give it a huge thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. What is something that you do in your daily cleaning routine that maybe I can adopt into mine to help me maintain a cleaner home every single day? And I hope that this video has given you some inspiration and motivation on how you can keep your home clean and tidy. I know with little ones it is really hard to do, but I hope that you guys have enjoyed this, and I hope that you are doing well and staying safe out there. Thank you guys so much for watching. It means the world to me to have you all here. Do not forget to stick around and subscribe if you haven't already done so. And if you guys are in need of more cleaning motivation, I will have some linked down below in the description box, and I will have some up here on the screen at the very end that you can click on. So feel free to click on those. I would love to have you stick around and watch some more videos, and I would love for you to stick around and subscribe. Thank you guys again. Have a super amazing day, and I will catch you in the next video.